Yo, what's up? Just out here in the shop today. Gonna take some time to do some brakes on this truck here. It's a good friend of mine. He will not give it up. Many people make fun of him for it, but he's right when he says it's old trusty. It's old trusty. So we're gonna get this old trusty truck going on. Put some fresh brake pads on it. Give it a little bleed. And you know, just do the old refresh. All right, we're gonna hop right on into it.
Shazam. Come on, baby. So the impact that I have isn't relatively like super strong. It's just strong enough, which is great because I teach people how to work on cars too. So that's fine. Keeps them from breaking things. Put a little bit of pressure on it. Shazam. It's really cold out today. It's Thanksgiving, by the way, Thanksgiving Day. All right, I'm gonna get in, get some tools, and we're gonna pop these off. Oh yeah. Let me see if I can get you guys on here. Let's see what you guys can see. Oh, it ain't too bad. All right. So yeah, we're down here on the bottom side. Just wrenching it out. All right, here's a trick. You take, so your piston's right here. You take your screwdriver on the opposite side between the brake caliper and the rotor, and you pull back a little bit. And what that does is it pushes that piston in a little bit. You can kind of hear it. And it's nice because if you don't have a really good press tool, you've done most of the pressing already. Okay. All right, there we go. You just walk it off. All right, there we go. So he's still got some life left on these brakes, but they are falling apart. They're like old and cracked up, like literally falling apart. So we're gonna go ahead and replace them like he asked. But he also needs maintenance on his brakes anyways. So yeah, this is definitely necessary regardless. Oh God. It's always risky business pulling stuff like this off. Could hit you in the face. Look at that. So that one's not too bad. The inner is worse as far as dying out. Oh, these are Black Widow webs. Lift up. See how the cracking, spidering through there? Literally starting to fall apart. I mean, once they get old anyways, the compounds don't work the same. So, but these definitely need maintenancing. Yeah, you can see the sleeve still in this one. Which, yeah, that's not good. Man, I'm not trying to give out all of our secrets, you know, by any means. But one thing I will tell you is take a pad with you. That makes a big difference. That way you can compare it. Because there's many vehicles out there that have multiple different models, right? So you have the make, right? Then you have the model. And then after that, you have all these trims on top of the model. And the trims will actually have different size brake pads, like different lengths and widths. And, you know, they'll have different pins and stuff on the back of them. So you want to make sure you get the right model, because there's been multiple times where I got the wrong calipers and the wrong brake pads, even when it called for specific ones. And I had the VIN number. So bring your brake pad in, bring your VIN. And then you'll have something you can really, really make sure you get the right parts for. All right. And we're back. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my God. All right. Yep. Yep. That's fine. That's fine. It's all good. That's fine. It's all good. It's all good. It's fine. It's fine. Flip this upside down. Get down in there, brother. You know where you belong, brother. I'm trying to lift it up just a little bit. There we go. It's not scraping the bottom. I'm trying to press this thing in there. If not, we'll figure it out. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Ho-ho. Ho-ho. Can you see what I see? All right. Got the bolts in. I'm just going to go on and crank them on. Try to do them a little evenly. They're a little funny. I hope I can bleed it out. All right, let's see. He's trying. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. Oh, no. That ain't good. Whew. Come on, baby. Get off of there. Get off of there. Come on. Get up off of there. I really kind of want to go see a movie. I don't know why. That is not a good socket to use either. That's probably the worst socket I could have used. The thing ain't got no grip on it. No grip. You got no juice. Alright, we might just call it on that because I really want to bleed the brakes. But at the same time, that thing's taking a lot of torque. So that's really a risk. Yeah, look at that. Just grounded right off. That's crazy. Alright, let me try to fit something else just in case. Another socket. I think, see if 3/8 will work. 3/8, it'll be close. See if I can get her on there. Wait, was that really a 3/8? Or am I tripping? That was a 3/8. That's tight on there. Yeah, I don't know about that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. No way. That actually worked. Come on, man. Don't play with me like that. I know where you live. All right. Booyah. All right. Put a 3/8 on her. That should be plenty for her. I'm just gonna start pumping away. Well, ABS system's working like it should. That's good.
Alright, well, look most of this out as good as I can. I'm gonna switch to the other side. Hope the other side's a little bit easier. Probably not. Probably not. See? We're good. No way. The other side's gonna be interesting because it's all in dirt. Oh, was this in the dirt? Oh, there's. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we got bad news, Broncos. Let's see if I can show you this. Alright, look. You can see that. That is not good, my friend. So, what that usually means is, you know, this is the other side was fine. This means that something has locked up, most likely. So it could be this hose actually, instead not that line, but the hose, or it could be the caliper. So we're gonna strip it down, put it back together. Hopefully, we'll see. So I made another discovery, which is kind of crappy. Is the actual bleeder is broke off of this caliper. Which means I can't truly bleed the brakes. What does that mean? That probably means that I'm going to have to slap these brake pads in there and hope. Yeah, we'll hope. But this explains why I can't get the brake pedal hard. Love it. Live, love, laugh. Laugh, love, live. Don't job your work, or don't work your job. Job your work, you know what I'm saying? There's one thing I know, these are covered in rust. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. Sometimes I wonder. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. These calipers are probably not cheap, out with the guess. And you know what's crazy? He has the original upper ball joints. You know how I know that? They have rivets in them. See right here is rivets. Oh yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. Brake pad's chipping out in the middle. This one's completely gone. The rotor's scrubbed down. Man, they got a bunch of, I think those are Black Widows in there. I don't know why this area, especially my shop, is just covered in Black Widows, man. I don't know why. My whole backyard, just Black Widows everywhere. Everywhere. You know, it's funny, I still have, every once in a while, someone come by, I'll be working on something, they'll put a little flashlight on it while I'm trying to work on it, and I'm like, hey man, don't do that. What? You can't see? And I'm like, actually, I can see, but I don't need to see. I don't want to see. Because when I need to see something, I need to be able to see it. You know what I mean? There's certain places flashlights won't go that your eyes can get to, you know? When you're working on a car, you have to keep that in mind. Somebody comes up and flashes a light in the engine bay you're working in. Well, guess what, brother? You're gonna be able to see nothing.
How well is this gonna work? I don't know. Arms are out of whack. Awesome. Yeah, I don't like it either. It's okay. It's okay.
Moral of the story. Moral of the story. Just fix it. Sometimes you can't save them all. Just fix it. And I know you're thinking, we can save her. But we can't. I'm sorry. It's not worth it. Quit trying to fix broken people, you animal. Alright, I'm gonna try to crank this thing up. Sink way down. Drop that a little too fast. It was a partly successful brake job, not anywhere near what I would normally do. But I guess it's good enough. So, yeah. Well, maybe I'll go watch a movie. I don't know what to do now. Can't even do a full brake job. Maybe I'll gear up and go for a ride. It's only like 35. That's cool. Alright. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good night. Hope you had a Thanksgiving. A great Thanksgiving. Bye.